Hello everybody, Eddie V here. Just finished all my deliveries at this cat dealership in Hayden, Colorado. Nice beautiful town. So I have to head to Colorado Springs because I'm picking up some stage equipment that is going to go to Charlotte, North Carolina. Who knows, maybe the Panthers stadium, I don't know. But it's a little over a 200 something mile drive and over I-70 Rockies to the pickup.
Follow the course of the road.
Okay guys, so I'm here now and near Colorado Springs, Colorado, near my pickup, and just about finished fueling. Guys, I added 911 stuff related into the fuel tanks because it's the Cummins engine. I've been having another issues. The truck been cutting off twice already so far when I went to Hayden, but coming back I was fine. So there's again something wrong with the fuel system somewhere. This clogged out, so I'm adding additives. Hopefully that'll help. Alright guys, so check this out. I don't know if in my channel, if I have told you guys about this. Damage there. My mechanism holding it together. Damage there, damage there, damage there. And it's just perfectly, they're all clipped in. Alright, time for the story. Okay guys, here, I just did my post-trip, pre-trip. Often what I like to do, guys, is I like to make advanced pre-trips, and what that is I make a pre-trip before I start the day. I run through, do the whole shift. When the shift ends, I go ahead and do a post-trip, and at the same time, it's my early pre-trip. So when I go on my next shift next time, I don't do my pre-trip. I actually just walk around the truck, make sure everything looks like in good working order, and no leaks, nothing, and then just go. I already kind of know my truck, how much oil it takes, how much coolant it takes, and I keep an eye on those levels. It's easy to just pop the hood and everything. Now, about the story of what happened to that damage. So I was on Highway 76, running from Nebraska to Denver, Colorado, and it's very bumpy up there. I mean, it's like this bumpy, very windy, and all of a sudden in my mirror, I see it flying away. It was like, boom, flew away. And I pulled over as safely to the shoulder I could, ran half a mile for it, then walked back, which was a pain in the butt because the wind wanted to blow it away from my hands. Half a mile back to the truck, put it on, and put a strap underneath it. That way it doesn't come off. So what happened was there is like plastic struts running down on the inside of them Volvo panels, and they cracked, causing on the bumps and the wind to pick up where those hinges are and just fly away. By the way, guys, that is a beautiful moon right there. Right next to Colorado Springs. It's like Monument or something like that name. And I don't know if you can see the stars, that's Jupiter. And there right there is a beautiful view of the highway and Colorado Springs down there. It's a very beautiful view. Looks like there's traffic building up there if you can't tell, but I could see it. Alright, I did tell you my story. What I also like doing on my 34-hour recess or whatnot is organize my equipment. I just got this trailer. And oftentimes I am one of the most cleanest guys with a trailer. So I'm organizing all this. The LED light just stopped on me, so I have to go reset that probably. But yeah, anyway, just organize stuff for now before the pick in Colorado. Alright guys, what do we have going here? I know I haven't shown you what and how I loaded all this, but let's just say got O-ring straps around here, some straps here to keep it from going away, straps, chains there, bunch of straps here. So you can see this load is fully secure professionally. It's not gonna shift anywhere, and I made sure of it. That's how good the strap job is right here. Really, really, really good. Alrighty guys, so now we are driving in what do you call, finally got the paperwork. We are actually delivering to the Bank of America Stadium, the Panthers Stadium, all the stage equipment. So now, it's a long drive there. Alright guys, so I made it to Oak Grove, Missouri now. Everything's fine with the load. As I parked in, the air dryer went bad. It's completely hissing out. So, luckily I'm Oak Grove Petrol. They're not busy. We'll see if they can go ahead and get it changed. But yeah, I'll show you you'll hear it how bad it is. Okay guys, my load is fine. But what do you call? You guys gonna hear this humongous air leak sound. You guys can probably hear it already coming right there. Very, very loud. The air dryer is loud. Well boys, that was it. I just got the air dryer got a new air dryer replaced, so now time to go hook up back to my trailer and take a shower and get some rest. Alrighty guys, I'm up here finally at the Bank of America Stadium for the Carolina Panthers. And apparently we have to drive through there now. So that's interesting. Alright, time to unload guys now, time to unload.
In 1/4 mile, turn right before the Goodyear, then take the first right.
That was a very interesting load that I just completed, and what do you call? Yeah, it's very interesting and it's a tight area. I'm glad I moved my axles to tandem instead of having them spread. One of the drivers that I know had them on, what do you call? Spread, and I wonder how well he did. So signing off, many pieces spread. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004
Turn right on
This particular package. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.